Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we're going to talk about Windows Hello because a lot of you are under the impression that Windows Hello is only for the face recognition part of Windows. And that's not exactly the case, because the reason we talk about this is the fact that, increased security with Windows Hello and passwordless entry into your accounts. Microsoft wants us to use Windows Hello to have an easier time getting into our different accounts. I personally use Windows Hello quite a lot on all my devices because it's super easy and much easier to just go into your accounts either with verification or on my phone. I use my fingerprint. On my computers, I use a PIN, which means I don't have to remember my really complex and very different passwords everywhere. So the problem is a lot of people really think that Windows Hello in your accounts is simply the face recognition. Windows Hello is not just face recognition. It is more than that. Windows Hello is everything that is either Hello Face, which is face recognition, Hello Fingerprint, which is, of course, fingerprint. So on my smartphone, for example, that's what I use. But also the PIN. It's not just, signing in with a camera, because a lot of people are a little weary about doing that. People say, well, I don't know, I'm not sure I want to put my face in front of my camera. And a lot of people actually, it's common to see that people put a little, tape over their camera, for example, on the laptop to make sure that, nothing bad happens and nobody can take a picture of you or, turn on the camera without you knowing, which honestly never happens really, except in extreme cases where maybe you could have malware. But in a standard PC that doesn't have malware or problems, it's not something that is a problem. But, some people don't like that, so it's fine. But that's where, for example, Windows Hello PIN is something that you can use, which means you'll remember a 4-digit PIN to enter to your accounts on your PC, for example, rather than have to remember that complex password. It's still safe, because you might think, well, that's not safe. It's safe if you're the only one using your computer. The idea behind having Windows Hello simplicity is more of the fact that you'll be using it at home on your devices. Because once you go to, say, another phone or another computer, the Windows Hello PIN doesn't work. You'll have to actually get into your accounts with the standard password and two-factor authentication as usual. So security stays there. It's just that you don't have to use and enter that big password every time. But I wanted to clarify this because a lot of people in the comments I've noticed are on the impression that Windows Hello is only the face recognition, when in reality it is more than that. So all you have to do if you want to set up one, for example, set up PIN, you click Windows Hello PIN and you follow the instructions in which you will actually get into your computer with a PIN. Mine is, I think, a 6-digit PIN. So, depending on how much security you want. And like I said, it's on your own personal devices. So, as long as you don't, go with 1, 2, 3, 4, or things like that, which would be very simple to try first. A little bit like your PIN number on your debit card and so on. So more than just a face recognition, like I said, and you require Windows Hello sign-in for Microsoft accounts. And as time will go by, more and more accounts will be added to this. That means Windows Hello can actually log you into your Gmail, into any type of accounts, even Facebook, over time. That's the idea behind Windows Hello, because Microsoft knows that passwords, people find it complicated and often forget and often use the same password everywhere. With this, it gives you the advantage of using a different password everywhere, but only using one way of actually signing in, which is always the same. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching our videos.